Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at energy and oil prices, a bit of a fluctuation. So we started the day low, we rallied, we saw it kind of come all around. We got the lowest settle in about a week when all the dust finally settled as the dollar sort of picked up. So right now we are still kind of smack dab in the middle of that 1 month range. You look like 63 to 73. Technically, we're kind of in that waiting period. Is it going to be a trip back up to the highs, or is it going to be a slow and steady push back towards the lows? And I think from a technical perspective, those are the two ultimate targets, 73 and 63, with obviously 73 coming with some kind of you're going to need to see something, whether it be production related, whether it be geopolitically related, and on the other side, it could be growth related. And those both are going to have key ramifications if broken. Right now, hovering at around 67 and change. We're not quite there yet. So right now, we're right in the middle of that. We end up today, although we did see a little bit of a range. And if you look at the dollar, it was kind of the cause of the driver again. The dollar opens low. It looks to make, like about a week and a half low. And then boom, we pop up. Certainly a lot of talk with trade. Certainly a lot of talk with things going on in Iran. Certainly a lot of expectations revolving around U.S. GDP. So there's a lot of reasons why the dollar could be strong. There was some weakness in emerging markets, weakness in China. Those were also helping to aid the late dollar bid. So the late dollar bid aiding in the modest oil sell-off that we saw. And if you look at positioning, well, positioning could tell you another thing. It's that once we got to those highs, that $73 high-ish level, we saw speculators start to exit their longs. Certainly not all exiting at once, but it looked like some profit taking as was taken and continued last week. That has caused some of the pressure to the downside here in oil prices. Right now, you got to keep an eye on those speculators. Where will they continue to sell off? Or will they continue, or they maybe look to buy opportunistically if we get back down towards that 63 level? Right now, they are continuing to exit slowly. So oil prices kind of in that wait and see mode. Like I said, it's going to be about Iran geopolitical risks or production. We'll get some supply numbers, and then you have to always look for the technical levels. 73 to 63 right now seems to be the range. A break outside of that, things are going to look a lot different. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.